Ladies and gentlemen, ho ho ho! Welcome to the show, another episode of Basics. I got a little special treat here for you today, brought to you from the North Pole itself. I'm gonna make some white and rich bread from Kroger. I'm gonna make that a holiday edition just for you, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be nice and tasty. So let's just go on and start making this here. And some nice white bread right there. And you're going to have some in-laws down. You're going to have family and friends. You're going to want to put this on a nice 2.5, maybe closer to 3. And you're just going to push that down. And I'm going to, just going to give it a little bit of holiday cheer for you. Let it cook for a few minutes, I'm going to tell you a story when I was a kid, and, Christmas was rolling all around. I was with my family, and I was asleep, and I heard the sleigh bells, and I went downstairs, and I had a present from Santa, and I went and opened it, and there's nothing in it. That's okay, because we're gonna make some fucking holiday bread. It's gonna be fucking delicious. So we're just gonna let this continue cooking here. All right, I'm gonna check on in there. There's a certain level of toastedness that you want it to be. Oh, it's really getting red in there now. red like the North Pole, red and green. Look at that right there. I took the camera from my camera woman over there. Oh, and I just want to get a few shots of that toast. A nice overhead. We're going to back up. Going to give it a round shot right there. That's going to be fucking amazing. Right by fucking Angel Cookie Bread House, Gingerbread House, and fucking Christmas holiday mailbox. Going out of focus, going back in. There's no place like home. There's no snow place like home. How amazing. Take that back there, cameraman, camerawoman, whatever the fuck you are. I think it's getting close to done. We're just going to hurry along this process here, just so I can give you guys a sense. Cook the toast to whatever you want to cook it to. You just do whatever you want. Actually, that's nice right there. Not fully toasted, not fully raw. That's how I like my toast right there. Nice and right there. Okay. We want some Blue Bonnet 15 ounce. Has to be 15 ounce, or else it's not good enough. You see that right there? 15 ounces. That's what you want. Here's a little barcode. Scan that right there. Get that at your local Kroger, Walmart, whatever the fuck you want. I hope we don't have to censor that out. Who knows? All right. What we want to do? Just get a nice little bit of that butter right there. Okay. You just want to put that on that. Put that on there. Put that right on that toast. Your holiday toast. I'm going to show you what makes a holiday toast in just a second. Just a second. Just going to keep going. And what you want is, you want crumbs. You want a whole lot of crumbs on that knife. And you just want to keep dipping it right into the butter. That's really what you want. Your in-laws are going to fucking love that. And they'll love you in turn. And, you won't have to get calls anymore saying, "Oh, honey, why are you with this man? Huh? I wish you would leave him. He's not good enough for you. He didn't even give it a present from fucking Santa." Your fucking in-laws won't fucking do that anymore once you give them this goddamn fucking bread. So you're going to fucking make this goddamn bread. Shove that shit back in there. Who gives a fuck? Fuck that shit. Alright, fucking holiday bread right here. Let me see that one more time. We're gonna fucking zoom in on that toast right there. How do you think that looks? And now I'm about to show you how to make this normal toast and a holiday toast. Let me see that right here. Okay. Alright, you want to take your toast? Okay, you see that? You want to take your angel? Slap that against that angel. Let's take a bite and see what that tastes like. A little bit of Christmas cheer in there, if you know what I'm saying. Now let me give you an idea of what I'm tasting right now. That right there is toasted bread with some butter and some holiday cheer. That is fucking delicious. Okay. If your in-laws don't love you after this, I don't know what will make them love you. I don't know what will make Santa bring you a fucking gift for Christmas. Who the fuck knows if this doesn't do it, what will do it? Take this fucking toast, slap it against that fucking angel right there. That's some good fucking Hold on, hold on. Merry Christmas.